Hey guys, Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs, here at Glenfield for Glenfield Part 2, as requested by James the Trainer. I think you actually requested this vlog once the Southwest Rail Link is open, but I'm here now and I'm doing a vlog. So, if you want to re-request this vlog once the rail link opens, just let me know in the comment section below and that will be Part 3. Here we have S12 being the rear half, front four cars S65. Now departing platform 3, empty train. Transport for New South Wales Vlogs is also doing a vlog here. Campbelltown service M7 arriving into platform number 4. And I don't remember what I said about this platform here where the S set's on. If I said platform 2, I'm sorry, I meant platform 3. Campbelltown service now departing platform 4, the front 4 cars M7. And the rear 4 cars M18. And the S set is still here. S65 and 12 now departing platform 3, empty train.
5 and S12 now departing platform 3, train.
We've got a Waratah approaching platform number 1, City Circle, via Walleye Creek service A44. I'll just say it now, if anyone wants to follow me on Twitter, you can find me at STV YouTube. We have an Endeavour passing platform 4. N14 and N7. We've got an M set arriving under platform number 3. This train terminates and will return to museum. M27 is the front 4 cars. I won't be able to get the rear 4 cars, guys, sorry. We've got a Waratah approaching platform number 1. It's pretty windy here, so if you can hear the wind pretty loud, sorry guys. City Circle via Reevesby service, A5 is the set. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. I'll see you all in the next vlog. Goodbye for now.